I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru WRX versus Dodge Challenger. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which car best suits your driving style. We'll look at what makes each vehicle unique, from their powertrains to their driving dynamics. Our goal is to provide a clear picture so you can confidently choose your next performance car. The Subaru WRX is renowned for its rally heritage and agile performance. It comes standard with a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent through Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, offering exceptional grip and control in various conditions. You can choose between a precise 6-speed manual or a responsive, continuously variable automatic transmission, making it versatile for different drivers. Shifting gears to the Dodge Challenger, this iconic American muscle car offers raw power and a commanding presence. Its engine options range from a capable 3.6-liter V6, producing 303 horsepower, to monstrous supercharged Hemi V8s that can exceed 800 horsepower. While traditionally rear-wheel drive, certain V6 models offer all-wheel drive for enhanced all-weather capability. The Challenger delivers a thrilling, straight-line performance experience. So which car is better? The Subaru WRX is your go-to for precise handling and all-weather confidence, thanks to its standard all-wheel drive and turbocharged engine. If you crave raw power, a thunderous V8, and a classic muscle car experience, the Dodge Challenger is an undeniable choice. Your decision depends on whether you prioritize agile cornering or brute force acceleration. Both offer unique thrills for enthusiasts. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.